In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use ClickUp AI Note Taker for automatic meeting notes. First, open your ClickUp workspace. Log in and make sure you're in the correct workspace, the main hub where your tasks, projects, and meetings live. If you're part of multiple workspaces, double check the name in the sidebar so everything you set up ends up in the right place. Next, head to the top right and click the Ask AI icon, often labeled ClickUp Brain. This opens a panel that acts as your built-in assistant for notes, tasks, and docs. You'll use it to kick off the Notetaker setup. In the prompt field, tell ClickUp what you want, such as AI taking down notes or set up AI Notetaker for meetings. ClickUp will walk you through enabling the Notetaker and connecting your calendar. This connection is key because it lets the AI detect your events and join them automatically. When prompted, connect your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar. If you don't see the prompt, you can open Workspace Settings and look under Integrations or Calendar. Choose Sign In with Google or Connect with Outlook. Select the calendar you actually use for meetings, review the permissions, and click Allow. Once synced, your upcoming events will flow into ClickUp so the Notetaker can attach itself to the right meetings. Now enable the AI Notetaker Click app. In Workspace Settings, open Click Apps or Apps and Integrations. Find AI Notetaker and toggle it on. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh your browser and check again. To turn it on for a specific meeting, open your planner or calendar view, click a scheduled meeting from your linked calendar, and in the event details, switch on the AI Notetaker toggle. If it's a recurring meeting, look for the option to enable it for the entire series so every session is covered. The AI will attend virtually and capture key points, decisions, and action items. Notes are stored in a private ClickUp doc linked to that meeting. After the meeting, go to Planner or the Docs section. Look for a doc with a notepad icon and the meeting name plus date. Open it to review the full notes and any task suggestions. Assign tasks, share the doc with your team, or export it as a PDF or Markdown. Only people with access to the doc can view it, so adjust sharing if needed. For reliability, confirm the right calendar is connected, recheck permissions if events don't appear, and do a short test meeting. Always skim the notes for accuracy and add context where needed. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.